Hi guys, this is Schwaku7. Whenever I see a good deal on exercise equipment, I like to do a quick video, get the word out. And there's a good deal on Temu.com right now for a 52.91 pound cast iron kettlebell. And it's on sale for $79.89. And it's 24 kilograms, approximately 53 pounds. In Titan Fitness, its 24 kilogram kettlebell is $89.99. So that's a $10 savings. A Rogue kettlebell £53 is $85. This is a good deal. 24 kilograms is a heavy kettlebell, and Pavel Tsatsouline in this book, The Russian Kettlebell Challenge, Extreme Fitness for Hard Living Comrades, mentions that the Russians use 16 kilogram kettlebells, 24 kilogram kettlebells, and 32 kilogram kettlebells for their kettlebell training. But if you just use this 24 kilogram kettlebell, you can get a tremendous workout. And there's lots of videos on YouTube about how to do kettlebell training. But for $79.89, that's a bargain, especially with free shipping. Titan Fitness also has free shipping, but they're going to charge you for the route protection. And if you're looking at kettlebells, I recommend checking this out. And you'll find this on Temu.com, which is a great place to buy affordable exercise equipment. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new YouTube videos. And as always, thanks for watching.